Hi guys, welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina and today we are here at Ebony Indian Kitchen where we're here to try out their Pan-Asian food. If you're from Bangalore, you'll know that this place is a rich and varied history and is one of the legendary spots in the city. So let's go and try it out. One of the things that we absolutely love about Ebony Indian Kitchen is that they have such a wide variety of dishes from all over India. For example, in front of me right here, we have the Saraswat Brahmin prawn curry, which sounds like a bit of an oxymoron, but it's from the Brahmins that populated the Konkan region. We also have the Malai Kofta, a lovely dish from up north, as well as the Nali Kasalan, a slow-cooked lamb shank dish that is one of the specialties on the menu, and we can't wait to try it out. So we just absolutely stuffed ourselves at Ebony Indian Kitchen today. We absolutely love the wide variety of Pan-Indian dishes they had on offer. They also have a great selection of vegan options as well if you are on that bandwagon. So if you're looking for some fabulous Pan-Indian fare, head to Ebony Indian Kitchen. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as follow us on social media. And don't forget, stay hungry!